Nichum. Kwa nini hutaki kunichum? Nichum baby. Nichum mdomo. Anaogopa kunichum mdomo. Anyway guys, this is what I'm going to do. Yeah. Guys, ananispreadia bed. Yaani imagine atukuamka asubuhi. Mama leo kazi ni yake. So what else my baby? What else?
Washing the dishes.
Washing the dishes. Okay. So unaenda kuweka up mboga? Okay. Hey, anyway, I can see the dishes are very very dirty. Ufupi nayo pia tena ni mbaya, tena ni mzuri. My daughter.
Where's the sponge?
Sponge is there at the window. Okay, I can wash the dishes.
Put some water.
Wewe endelea tu na kazi, hata usionge. Mimi tu nikuchukue. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Hey jamani, nye kuzaa kuzuri jamani, kuzaa kuzuri. As you can see, she's cleaning, and by the way she has washed the dishes very well. As you can see, they are very very clean. Let me see, they are very very clean. Yeah, she knows how to wash the dishes for me. Okay, you can wipe the top of the sink well. If you are done, you can just put the rag here. Wow, so what's next, my dear girl?
I want to...
As you can see, she's now mopping. That's nice. Okay. Okay, baby girl. Make sure everywhere is clean. She has done some cleanliness. Some cleaning, sorry. She has done some cleaning. As you can see, the place is a bit clean, but not really clean. Okay, I can confess that, because I must do something about it. Okay. Okay. You can move the kitchen.
Finished.
You're finished? Wow. That's my girl. Good. Girl.
Remember
to help your parents. Remember to help your parents at home when you are in holidays.
Not sleeping every time.
Tell them, remember to help your parents when you are at home in holidays.
Remember,
mostly on holidays you need to help your parents with house chores. Evo.
Remember to help your parents when it's...
Karibu na gas. Kwa nikisonga tu gari. Hivyo tu.
Nishaanzia mzisha.
Usisongeze karibu. Usisongeze karibu na gas. Tuanze vizuri. Usisongeze karibu.
Mama sungoje na geti tuna.
Usisonge karibu na gas.